Ah, much better. Alright. Yeah, I recorded my last video in Ultra HD, and I'm kind of bummed about that because I wasted so much of my phone's storage on that one video. Alright, anyways, these are the elevators at the Greenhouse building here in Red Rock City College, or Red Rock University in Red Rock City. I hope it's open. Oh, it's open. It looks like a melee, or no, I lied. It's a Flora. Alright, here we go. Interesting motor stud up there. 3,500 pounds. I have no idea what these used to be. It's got a pink. Interesting. It has a different design as the one opposed to the one I saw in that one office building I went to today. Slightly different. It's got has more pink than green. A little bit shaky. Is that a replace button? It might be. Door timers. Surprised I was even able to get in here. Wow, it flies on the way down. I wonder if these are like national or something. I don't think they were national, but I don't think I'm gonna bother switching to the other car. I'm really not supposed to be in here right now. The heck? This is a weird key switch. Is this supposed to be an exterior key switch? Let me look at this. Hold on, I need to see this key switch. Wow, that's weird. They put a they messed up on the key switch on that car. That was weird. It has a reset instead of a hold. That's weird. I think they messed that up. Alright, anyways, yeah, there it goes, and that's it.